Alright y'all, what's the deal, man? It's JT back with another video. Today is Sunday, August 2nd, 2 days into the month, almost my favorite time of the year, which is the fall. I cannot wait. But yeah, the point of making this video, I got another testimonial from a TikTok Profit Kit member. He just signed up last week, got his account all set up, made some videos for him, and the results is already looking good so far. Let me talk about my results since we already got it on screen. Today so far we had 318. Yesterday we made 540. So far for the month 858, nothing crazy. It's only the second day into the month. But yeah, going into this testimonial, I'm going to display it on screen. Shout out to my guy Greg. His name Gregory Perkins, as you can see on screen. I reached out to him yesterday and told him to, I was like, tell me something good, because we had already posted, set up the account and all that stuff. I just want to see where his results was at. And he sent me a screenshot of his results. As you can see, well, he sent me this yesterday. So his results yesterday at around 10 o'clock was 78.75, and the day before that was 67.50, which totals out to, I think, about $142 and like 25 cents, something like that. It's around there. I might be on the money, but this is only less than a week of working with me, and he only paid for the $100 kit, where basically I create the account for you, starts from from scratch, and I create 10 custom videos on the account for you, promoting your affiliate link. And what's also cool is when you buy the TikTok the TikTok kit, whether you get the $100 package or the $250 package, it comes with the TikTok profit system that's dropping next Friday. This Friday that's coming up. So the TikTok profit kit is where I make everything for you. And the TikTok profit system is going to be the new course that I'm releasing on Friday. I forgot the exact date of Friday. It's probably like the 6th or the 7th, something like that. Yeah, so you will have accounts. You'll have your account already made, videos already posted, and then you get the course for free. Anybody that buys the TikTok profit kit from now until the course launch, get the course for free. So it's a 2-for-1 special with that. Shout out to Greg on his results. Already going crazy, and I still owe him about like 4 or 5 more videos. So he already made his money back. Everything now is just pure profit, and he get the course for free come Friday when it drops. So hey, there's that. And what I want to do in this video is go over basically me posting a live post, and y'all can take this script, use it if you want to. I don't care. I got the text hook, the script, and the caption I'm gonna use from here. A lot of y'all say, oh, I don't want to get on camera, I don't want to talk. It's AI tools for everything. So you could literally take this whole entire script, copy it, go to 11 Labs, paste it in there, and generate speech. Let's see what it come up with. It normally take about like 5 to 10 seconds and it'd be done.
If you think every work from home job on TikTok is a scam, you're looking in the wrong places. This company is hiring right now, pays up to $35 an hour, doesn't require a degree, and the application takes less than 2 minutes. ThinkRemote.club is looking for people to write simple reviews about brands, products, and online services. You can work as a...
All right, y'all get the gist. It's about 44 seconds long. From here, you just download it. Boom, send it to your phone or add it to your favorite video editor. I like to use CapCut. It's everything all in one, because I used to use Premiere Pro. But now I just use the CapCut paid subscription, and it got literally everything I would need. The sounds, shit. They even got the voiceover tool on there. Every editing thing you would need is literally already on there. So CapCut, I promoted it, and I don't even have an affiliate link for it. It's literally just a perfect all-in-one editing tool. I got my caption right here already made, and I'm about to actually do the voiceover myself. So I'll just give you all the option that you could use 11 Labs to do it if you ain't want to get on camera. And then another thing I needed was a background clip that I'm gonna use, or a background image. So on Pexels, they give all these for free. You don't even have to create an account. Go on Pexels.com. All I did was search for work from home office. Go to filters. I want to look for a vertical one because we doing TikTok. Let me scroll. Let me find something simple and clean. Let's see what I want to go with. I kind of like this one. I'm just download this. So boom, I got my script, got my voiceover done, I got my background clipped. Next thing I'm about to do is go and edit this over on CapCut. I might screen record it and upload it. If not, I'm gonna just show y'all after I upload it on TikTok, so you'll be able to see the final product. And then quick promo while I'm editing the video. TikTok profit kit, like I said, it's only $100 up to $250. So the $100 package, the only difference between the $100 package and the $250 package is the amount of videos that I create. So in this package, it comes with a brand new TikTok account. I create the username, the bio, profile picture, set it up exactly how I would as if I was doing my own account. The bio link, we send you the best MaxBounty offers, how to get approved for the private offers. My MaxBounty referral link. I will create 10 viral videos for you. Videos uploaded to your account with the captions, hashtags, everything written out by me, as well as a 30-day posting strategy. And then, like I said, the difference between the two is how many videos I create. And then with either package that you purchase, it comes with the TikTok profit system for free. So you buy any TikTok profit kit, you get the TikTok profit system for free when I drop the course on Friday. So this one for $250 comes with 25 videos instead of 10, and you get the course. Another thing before I go and edit this video real quick, I wanted to highlight this account that I'm selling. It's called 7 Approvals. You can go search it up yourself, whatever. I'm just selling this account. I don't need it no more. I already did what I needed to do. I was selling apartments on this account, and as you can see, pretty much every post took off on this account. So this is a fire account. I'm gonna probably sell this account for like $100. Yeah, I'm gonna sell this account for $100. So if you got Zelle, Cash App, Apple Pay, or want to pay with your card, let me know. First come, first serve. You see this video got 3,000 views, 2,000 views, 12,000 views, 48,000 views, 40,000 views, and then this one got 3,000. So the account is good. It got 3,800 followers on here. You can put a link in bio. You can change everything out. Really don't matter. I'm giving this account away for $100. First come, first serve. So now let's get back to the video. I'm about to go edit this video real fast, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like after I upload it onto TikTok. All right, y'all, just got done editing the video. I posted it on the account as well, so let's give it a look so y'all can see start to finish. If you think every work from home job on TikTok is a scam, you're looking in the wrong places. This company is hiring right now, pays up to $35 an hour, doesn't require a degree, and the application takes less than 2 minutes. ThinkRemote.club is looking for people to write simple reviews on top brands, products, and services. You can work as a freelancer, choose your own schedule, and earn from anywhere from $25 to $35 per hour, depending on the projects you complete. They're also offering a same-day sign-up bonus for new members. All you have to do is go to their website, create your free account, and verify your email to activate your profile before you can start accepting review jobs. Payments are sent the same day after approved work is completed. I already put the direct application link in my bio so you don't have to waste time searching. Follow me for more daily remote job leads before everyone else applies. If you think boom, that's simple. 43-second long. You go to caption right here. Stop saying remote jobs fake, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so after that, we just let TikTok do its magic. In about a day or two, that's when the traffic normally starts to pick up. And yeah, that's that. If you can repeat this process 5 to 10 times per day, you could easily replicate the numbers I'm doing. Honestly, you could do better than me, because I don't even take this. I haven't even been going 100% with this. And I'm still able to make hundreds a day. With me grinding, like if I'm posting 5, 10 times a day, 20 times a day, I'm making 1,000 plus a day, easy. It's just I got a lot of other stuff going on. I just got a lot going on right now. So as long as I'm posting something, I'm happy. Shit, at the end of the day. But yeah, back to the promo. I got 2 things I'm selling. Got the 7 Approvals account. If you want this, 3,800 followers. Got the link in bio. It's already proven to take off. I got multiple videos with over 10,000 views. Great account. USA traffic, the whole 9. And then I got the TikTok profit kit. Got 2 different packages. You got the TikTok profit kit for $100, where I build your entire account for you, as well as post 10 videos done by me. So the video I just completed right here, I make 10 of those specifically for you and your affiliate link. Or you could get the $250 package, where I create 25 videos. That's honestly not even just to make more money for myself, but that's honestly the best package. 10 videos is cool too, but 25, that's a real good head start. Like I said, the last 2 testimonials I posted, they already made their money back and then some, and that's just off the $100 profit kit. So just imagine your $250 profit kit. So got the version 1, you got the version 2. Up to you. I will, after you purchase, you will send me in the email your details. If you don't send it to me, I ask you. And normally all I ask for is just your domain name, your logo, and if you're not approved for MaxBounty, I'll give you my referral link as well as the script to use to get approved. Good to go, man. If y'all got any questions, comments, or concerns, leave it down below. Try my best to answer all y'all questions in a timely manner. Yeah, really as soon as possible. So yeah, links will be in the description and the comment section down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video.